Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to Tech AI, where we dive into the coolest tools and tips to boost your creativity. Today, we're exploring one of Adobe's latest innovations that's making waves in the design world, Adobe Firefly, and its incredible generative fill features. Trust me, you're going to love what this tool can do for your projects. First things first, let's get you familiar with Adobe Firefly. It's part of Adobe's suite of creative tools and focuses on leveraging AI to enhance your design process. The star of today's show is the Generative Fill feature, which uses AI to seamlessly fill in parts of your image with stunning detail. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this tool can significantly streamline your workflow. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, open up Adobe Firefly. Here we have our landscape photo. As you can see, it's already quite stunning, but let's say we want to add some more elements to make it truly pop. This is where Generative Fill comes in. You'll find the Generative Fill tool in the toolbar on the right. Go ahead and select it. Load the image you want to work on. Now here's where the fun begins. The first step is to define the area you want to modify. For example, if I want to add more clouds to the sky, I simply draw over the area where I want a new elements to appear. It's very intuitive, just click and drag to create your selection. Once you've made your selection, now we have to enter a prompt of clouds. Adobe Firefly will analyze the surrounding pixels and suggest fills that match the context of your image. This is where the AI magic happens. You can choose from several options provided, or let the AI generate new fills until you find one you love. Look at these options. The AI has generated some truly beautiful additions to our sky. I think I'm going to go with this one here. It blends seamlessly and adds just the right amount of drama to our landscape. And just like that, we've enhanced our image with minimal effort. But that's not all Generative Fill can do. Let's say we want to add a new element entirely, like a mountain range in the background. We can use the same process to select an area, enter the prompt, and let the AI work its magic. Check this out. Within seconds, Firefly has created a realistic mountain range that fits perfectly with our scene. You can even adjust the opacity and blend modes to ensure it integrates naturally with the rest of your image. Pretty impressive, right? But we're not done yet. Another amazing feature of Generative Fill is its ability to remove unwanted elements. Maybe there's a distracting object in your photo that you wish wasn't there. No problem. First, select the Remove tool. Now just select the object and let Firefly do its thing. Watch as Firefly seamlessly removes the object and fills in the area with matching background textures. It's like it was never there. This is incredibly useful for cleaning up your images and creating a polished final product. One of the best parts about Adobe Firefly is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to design or not very tech-savvy, you'll find the Generative Fill tool easy to navigate and incredibly powerful. It's all about letting your creativity flow without getting bogged down by technical details. This transformation is stunning, and it took just a few minutes. This is the power of Adobe Firefly and its Generative Fill feature, bringing your creative vision to life effortlessly. All right, folks, that's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope you're as excited about Adobe Firefly as I am. It's a game changer for designers, photographers, and anyone looking to elevate their visuals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech AI, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials on specific features, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.